How to create a roadmap on Monday.com. Hey guys, so today in this video, I am going to tell you how to create a roadmap on Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to log into Monday.com. Once when you will log in, you will be redirected to this homepage where you can see the boards that we're working on right here. I've also changed my workspace from main workspace to secondary workspace. And what we can do is we can go back to the main workspace just for the time being. And now what do we need to do in order to create a roadmap? We need to click on this plus icon and then template center. Here we can uh, write roadmap, and I'm sure we're going to get something. Here you go. We have product roadmap, product development, career roadmap, construction roadmap, and product roadmap as well. What we're going to do is we're going to go with product roadmap for the time being. So the beauty of actually using Monday.com is that there are mostly there are two ways. The first way is you can create a roadmap from the scratch. You have to add every column, every data in the column, every right column actually. And the other way, which I was talking about initially, about what the beauty Monday.com brings into this situation is the use of template. So the beauty of templates are that you can just use a template and you'll be good to go. That's the best thing that you can do. And you can just click on use template right here and everything will be made for you in advance. So that's the beauty of using Monday.com and its feature that everything is made for you in advance and you'll be good to go. So here you go. A template has been made, a template has been pre-made for you, and you can see right here. Uh, just give me a second here. You can see right here that it's pre-made for you. Q3 candidates, Q4, and you can see right here that there's another section for Q goals. So your goals will be written here, like goals of Q4, goals of Q3, 2021. You can change it to your relevant date, obviously 2025, and you can just note down your goals here. But product planning is right here. So you can see a proper roadmap has been given here with all the queues available to you and all the details like the user mail marketing, scroll actions, digital onboard experience, touch account. Now you can change it to your relevant industry, your relevant market. But if I talk about, I would say, a tech company, then this is the perfect, I would say, product roadmap for a tech company that is planning to release some tech equipment soon enough. So it's relevant for them. So I hope this was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.